Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. So we are doing some preliminary ideas about mensuration. As you can see from my board that we are doing mensuration chapter, okay, and we have already discussed about right circular cone from mensuration right circular cone. Now we are going to discuss about another topic regarding surface area and volume, and that topic name is sphere. As you can see from the board, we are going to discuss about the topic sphere from surface area volume. Now we know about volleyball, football, okay, throw ball, etc. Those are a sphere. A sphere is a kind of shape. It is a kind of shape. It is a kind of shape. Okay, the names that I have already told you, that are the shape of sphere. Okay, now if we draw a sketch, then these things, this is called a sphere. Means this is a ball if we are taking, so this shape is called a sphere. Okay, now there are two types of sphere. One is solid, another is hollow. We are going to discuss the volume and surface area regarding these two types of sphere, and one more sphere are there, that is hemisphere. We are going to learn about that also. So without delaying, I am just giving you the idea that this is a sphere. Suppose we are taking, this is a sphere, okay, by erasing, this is a sphere. This is the center of the sphere, and here comes the radius r. Okay, since it is a round figure, now the volume of the sphere, whose radius is r, that's equal to 4/3 pi r cube cubic unit. This is the volume. Okay, surface area of the sphere. What is the surface area? 4 pi r square unit. Okay, this is for solid. We are discussing for solid sphere. This is the formula. Understood? Next, hollow sphere or spherical shell. Next, for hollow sphere. So this is the figure of a solid sphere. A short put throw ball, that is a solid sphere. Understood? Next, move to hollow sphere or spherical shell. First, let us draw the figure. What is a hollow sphere? A football is a hollow sphere, but a short put ball is a solid sphere. For a short put ball, this formula can be applied, but for a football, this formula, or for a tennis ball, this formula cannot be applied. So what is the picture of the spherical shell? This is the picture of a spherical cell. Acha. So this is a spherical cell. Okay. So a spherical cell contain one inner radius and one outer radius. Let us take the outer radius as r, inner radius as small r. Okay. So the volume of the spherical cell or hollow sphere, volume is equal to volume of the outer sphere minus volume of the inner sphere. Okay, that means 4/3 pi r cube minus 4/3 pi small r cube, that equals to 4/3 pi r cube minus small r cube, cubic unit obviously, cu unit. Understood? Now next move to hemisphere. Hemisphere. What is a hemisphere? If we cut a sphere along its diameter, if we cut it along its diameter, then we get a hemisphere. Now what is the type of picture of a hemisphere? This type of picture we are getting. This is a hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. Now for a hemisphere, the volume, first come volume equal to the volume is equal to 2/3 pi r square, 2/3 pi r cube, cubic unit. Obviously 4/3 pi r cube. Next we cut over here, we are getting 2/3 pi r cube cubic unit. Okay, so this is the volume. Next, curved surface area. Curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? Only this area. This area. This is the curved surface area, and that is what? 4 pi r square for the full, and curved surface area is 4 pi r square divided by 2, that is 2 pi r square, square unit. Understood? Next, there will be another area. That area is total surface area. Total surface area for hemisphere. Total surface area means this curved surface area plus surface area of this circle, means pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that means 3 pi r square.